Matshidiso is not pregnant. What a wow. So she went to see a doctor for a checkup on the recent episode of Visita. So if you're interested in this topic, then stay tuned to this video. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy this video. Yazo Nomsa did say that it was impossible for Matshidiso to get pregnant, especially because she is old, so she told her this could be a menopause. But Matshidiso refused to believe that since she was so sure that she was pregnant. This whole thing started when she was starting to feel symptoms of pregnancy. She was vomiting and certain things were smelling bad. That is how she confirmed that she was pregnant. Worst part, she even told Malume about this, and Malume had already started planning for the baby. You know, on one of the recent episodes, he was busy trying to plan for the baby's varsity funds. Imagine. I must say guys, I really do enjoy this plot. So, Matshidiso went to see a doctor for a checkup recently, and on that checkup, the doctor forced her to do tests, which is how she found out that she was not pregnant. Funny, ne? I know. Now obviously, after finding out that she was not pregnant, she was so stressed. And to release stress, she decided to go and have few beers and Malume wambona, so she had no choice but to admit that she's not pregnant. Now this is going to be very tough for Malume because he already told everyone that he's expecting a baby. He even created t-shirts written, "I'm going to be a father soon." So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we now wait to see how Malume is going to react come next week. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this particular topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.